Good afternoon, everyone. Dean here at Renner Dairy Farm. Want to talk today about our 100% grass-fed and finished lamb meat. No hormones, no antibiotics, no grain, 100% grass-fed and finished. The unfortunate thing to note is that we don't have any available this year, but we will have it available next year in the winter of 24. We want to make this video anyways to try to familiarize you all with our farm, what we're doing, why we're doing, in the high quality pasture-based food products that we have to offer. I'm going to show you the sheep here. I just moved them into this fresh paddock. We rotationally graze our sheep, and I'm going to tell you how we do it and why we do it. So how is that we have this netting here around the outside, which allows us to make any size and shape of pen or paddock that we want. It's portable. The important thing to note is that it keeps the sheep safe because it keeps them in. Right there is our guard dog, Floss. Keeps the sheep with Floss and keeps coyotes and other predators out. Now, why do we rotationally graze? We're trying to mimic nature, and in nature, animals graze and then they move. And that allows the soil and the plants a rest period. And so we try to give a rest of 60, 90, 120 days to our paddocks. What that does is those plants aren't being harassed and nibbled and grazed on every other day. It allows them to have a break so they can grow uninhibited for a while. And they actually sequester more carbon that way. I'll pan back to myself here. They sequester more carbon that way, and that feeds the soil life, like mycorrhizal fungi. It's a very symbiotic relationship that if you Google, you can just, there's a wealth of information on it. And so that allows our soil to be healthier, which allows our pastures and our forage to grow better and to have better pastures for the sheep. And now, what does that mean for the lamb meat? Well, we think it makes a better lamb meat because the sheep have to eat what's in the paddock. So sheep are like people, they have preferences, they want to eat the candy. Well, there's a lot of different plants in here, and the different plants have different nutrients that they carry. And so the sheep have to graze all of that. So they're getting a more balanced diet. They're getting the vegetables, the fruit, the meat and potatoes, etc. Now, that's also making, as we think, a better lamb product because they have access to fresh pasture 1 to 2 times a day. So they're not eating grass that's been grazed and nibbled on for months. They have fresh, lush pasture to eat every day. So again, we won't have any products available till next year, but we just want to familiarize you all so you get to know us and our farm better and the products that we have to offer. So thank you. Have a good day. Bye.